Thailand clarifies plan to sue Cambodia at ICC over border landmine incidents, not ICJ. Bangkok, August 12, 2025. In a recent development amid escalating tensions along the Thai-Cambodian border, the Thai government has clarified its intention to pursue legal action against Cambodia at the International Criminal Court (ICC) regarding allegations of newly planted landmines. Government spokesperson Jerry Hung Sub emphasized that the lawsuit targets what Thailand describes as war crimes rather than territorial disputes, and explicitly ruled out involvement of the International Court of Justice (ICJ). This move comes after a series of landmine explosions that have injured Thai soldiers, prompting international complaints and diplomatic exchanges between the two neighboring countries. Details of the Thai government statement. On Monday, August 11, 2025, Jerry Hung Sub, spokesperson for the Thai government, addressed media queries to correct misconceptions about the planned lawsuit. Thailand will file a lawsuit in the ICC accusing Cambodia of committing war crimes by intentionally harming civilians, Jerry stated during a press briefing. He further explained that the action is not directed at the ICJ, noting that Thailand has not accepted the jurisdiction of the ICJ since 1960. This clarification followed Cambodian criticisms, accusing Thailand of hypocrisy for avoiding the ICJ while pursuing international legal avenues. The lawsuit stems from Thailand's accusations that Cambodian forces have recently planted anti-personnel landmines along disputed border areas in violation of the 1997 Ottawa Convention, also known as the Mine Ban Treaty, to which both countries are signatories. Jerry highlighted that Thai forces had previously cleared mines from these zones, suggesting the devices were newly laid. Thailand has already taken diplomatic steps, including letters from its UN ambassadors in Geneva and New York to the Ottawa Convention Chair and UN Secretary General, protesting the alleged violations and requesting action against Cambodia. Background on the landmine incidents. The border between Thailand and Cambodia has long been a flashpoint, marked by historical territorial disputes and remnants of past conflicts, including landmines from the Cambodian Civil War era. However, recent incidents have heightened accusations of fresh mine laying. August 9, 2025 incident. 3 Thai soldiers were injured by a landmine explosion near the Chang Dan Ao Krisana Pass in Si Saikat Province's Kantarlak district. One soldier suffered severe injuries, losing his left ankle. This marked the third such event in less than a month, with prior blasts also injuring Thai personnel. Previous incidents. Similar explosions occurred in July 2025, prompting Thailand to condemn Cambodia for undermining international humanitarian law and the UN Charter. Thai investigations claim the mines are modern and recently placed, contradicting Cambodia's assertions that any mines are historical artifacts. These events unfolded shortly after a General Border Committee meeting in Kuala Lumpur on August 7, 2025, where Cambodia rejected Thailand's proposal for joint demining operations. The border region, particularly around areas like Priya Vihar Temple, has seen intermittent clashes and diplomatic strains since the 1960s. Cambodia's response. Cambodian officials have strongly denied the allegations of planting new landmines, attributing any explosions to old, uncleared devices from decades-old conflicts. In response to Thailand's ICC plans, Cambodia has urged Thailand to instead bring the matter to the ICJ for a comprehensive resolution of underlying territorial disputes. Cambodian statements have labeled Thailand's approach as inconsistent, pointing out that while Thailand seeks ICC involvement for alleged crimes, it refuses ICJ jurisdiction on border issues. For instance, Cambodian Mine Action Center Director Heng Ratana suggested that Thailand should seek an ICJ ruling to clarify landmine responsibilities and end confusion. emphasizing Cambodia's compliance with international obligations. Some Cambodian commentators viewed Thailand's UN complaints as an opportunity for Cambodia to push for ICJ adjudication on disputed territories, potentially forcing Thailand to address long-standing border claims. Cambodia has also expressed willingness to engage in bilateral talks or ICC proceedings if needed, but insists on transparency and mutual respect for international mechanisms. Both nations have reiterated commitments to peaceful resolution, with no reports of active military escalation as of August 12, 2025. Analysis: why Thailand avoids the ICJ and what are its broader intentions? Thailand's decision to pursue the ICC rather than the ICJ reflects strategic legal and political considerations, rooted in historical precedents and jurisdictional realities. Why not the ICJ? The ICJ, based in The Hague, handles disputes between states, including territorial claims and treaty violations. However, for the ICJ to have compulsory jurisdiction, both parties must consent. Thailand formally withdrew its acceptance of the ICJ's compulsory jurisdiction in 1960, shortly before the landmark ruling in 1962 that awarded Preah Vihear Temple to Cambodia in a 9-3 vote. A 2013 interpretation further clarified that surrounding lands also fall under Cambodian sovereignty, which Thailand accepted reluctantly, but has since used to justify avoiding the court. Analysts suggest Thailand does not dare to engage the ICJ due to fears of unfavorable outcomes on broader territorial disputes. Reopening cases could risk losing control over contested border areas, as seen in past rulings perceived by some Thais as biased. Instead, Thailand prefers bilateral mechanisms like the Joint Border Committee to manage issues without external adjudication that might challenge its positions. Cambodian calls for ICJ involvement are viewed in Bangkok as attempts to leverage the court's history of rulings in Phnom Penh's favor. Thailand's intentions: by targeting the ICC, which prosecutes individuals for international crimes like war crimes, Thailand aims to hold specific Cambodian commanders or officials accountable for the alleged landmine use, framing it as a humanitarian violation rather than a state-to-state territorial spat. This approach allows Thailand to apply international pressure on Cambodia without risking territorial concessions at the ICJ. Broader goals appear multifaceted: humanitarian and security focus, protect Thai soldiers and civilians by highlighting violations of the Ottawa Convention and seeking global condemnation; diplomatic leverage, use the ICC threat to push for joint demining and border cooperation while avoiding bilateral talks that could stall indefinitely; domestic politics, demonstrate a firm stance against perceived Cambodian aggression, bolstering national unity amid internal debates over border policies; international image, position Thailand as a defender of international law, though critics note the irony given its ICJ stance. However, challenges remain, as neither country is full ICC member state under the Rome Statute, potentially limiting the court's ability to act without UN Security Council referral. Experts warned that this legal maneuvering could prolong tensions unless both sides commit to dialogue. The UN and ASEAN have called for restraint, emphasizing peaceful resolution to prevent escalation in a region already burdened by historical grievances. This report is based on verified sources and aims to present a balanced view of both perspectives in line with principles of factual journalism. For ongoing updates, refer to official statements from the Thai and Cambodian governments.